So this is what happens when...
Little Miss Trouble right here goes and poops on everybody.
No, this one.
Oh, wait, that one. That little trouble. Yeah, you already know what's coming next, too. Look at good old Jazz. Little Jazz. Here's Daisy here being a little pain.
She's like, why are you washing my babies again? Oh, she's covered in it.
Oh, poor Jinni. Look at these two whiners. Oh, one pooped in there.
No, it's coming off of them.
Oh, that stinks. They know what's coming up next, but they don't like it.
No, they're just...
Whiners. Look at Jazz.
Jinni.
Such a good little girl.
It says hello.
Jinni. Oh, such a good girl.
And rinse off the tummy.
It's a Daisy.
She's such a good little girl.
That's a good one.
Oh, here, we're keeping this.
And there goes Jazz against Jinni again.
All rinsed.
All done. Go on with mommy. Hey. Stop your complaining. You brought it on yourself, not us. It's all your fault. Oh, we get the other one here. Such a complainer.
Now comes this one.
Now comes... This is
No, you stay.
Jody. Jinni. Jody?
Jade.
This is Jade. Oh.
Twins are the noisier ones. No, Jaydee gets pretty upset too.
How bad is Jinni though?
Yes, she does.
Oh, she got it on her face.
I know, sweetheart. But you have to get it off your face. Come on. You're probably not helping matters over there, Missy.
She's too tired to squawk.
No, she's just saving it.
Wait for it. Oh, there we go. Which one is that?
Jade!
This one here?
Yes!
Oh, I thought it was Jazz.
No, she doesn't like her bath very much yet.
Daisy, no.
Okay, but I have to rinse your bum, honey. Yes, you can thank your sister for this. You poor thing.
Oh, she looks so upset. Look at her little face.
Here comes a noisy maker.
Just They squawk a lot.
Okay, drama queen.
It's
okay. It's okay. Stop. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Daisy, will you stop, honey? The baby's fine. See, it's not that bad. See?
Little face.
It's all better. Get the poop off your leg.
Oh, here we go again. Hey, no noise. I think she's too tired to squawk.
I think she just likes to squawk to get a reaction. She's just a little drama queen.
Squeeze the puppy.
You don't squeeze the puppy.